Good afternoon, dear students. As we have finished more or less 95% of fifth lesson, admission of a new partner, and the adjustments connected with that. Once again, let me recall those adjustments involved in admission of a new partner. Capital brought in by new partner 1. Distribution of undistributed profit and loss and general fund, reserve fund all. 2. Revaluation of assets and liabilities 3. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio 4. And rearrangement அதுக்கு முன்னாடி treatment of goodwill 5 and rearrangement of capital based on the new profit sharing ratio. All those things combining together what have we seen in the previous 2-3 classes all. And in this today's class the final climax including all those adjustments what have we seen separately for each adjustment or 1 or 2 sums 2 mark level 3 mark level all we practiced. And again the previous 2-3 classes we finished 24 5 6 3 sums, and here we are going to see the final stage of admission of a new partner. With that lesson is over. 1 or 2 things may be new, அதனால gradually all those sums I taught one after one. Okay, as usual. Now let me read this sum first. Veena and Pierre are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Okay. Their balance sheet as on 31st/3/2018 is as follows. See the balance sheet. Old balance sheet given ma. அதில் capital begins with capital account liability side. Veena 60,000, PL 40, therefore total 1 lakh. Then next general reserve 30,000, workmen compensation fund 10,000. Yes, see this ma, these two as what we call it as balance sheet adjustment, right? We already taught you and all you practiced. So once more for your purpose, once these two items are shared and posted in the capital accounts of respective partners, these two items will not come once more in new balance sheet. Okay, remember the next sundry creditors 10,000. Then come to right side, building machinery, debtor, stock, asset bank. No profit and loss account here. Okay, leave it. So this is position of their old balance sheet. Then what happened? Yes, Derry is admitted on 1/4/18 subject to the following conditions. Okay. The new profit sharing ratio among Veena, Pierre and Derry is 5:3:2. Listen dear students, the same doubt somebody asked in the previous class also. Here the new ratio is given, so definitely what any goodwill we are going to see down. If anything brought in by the new partner, that is to be shared in the sacrificing ratio compulsory, right? Because new ratio is given now, it is understood. Keep in mind we have to calculate sacrificing ratio also, and the formula as you know well, that is old ratio minus new ratio. 1. Keep in mind. Second, Derry has to bring capital of 30,000. Okay. So that adjustment to be done in bank account. So that too also someone asked. Why we need to open bank account? Because he brought capital, and also we will see down what will happen. Stock to be depreciated by 20%. So as we know very well, reduction of asset is loss. Put on minus symbol and loss. Then anticipated claim on workman compensation fund is 1,000. That I will explain later more. That workman compensation fund we kept last year 10,000, but now this is not needed this much. Thus just next year onwards we need only 1,000 gram. How to treat I will teach later. Then an unrecorded investment of 11,000 has to be brought into the books. Yes, this is a new asset brought into the book. Therefore plus item. Therefore as far as revaluation பார்க்கும்போதுமா stock one minus loss item and investment new asset brought into the account. These two only regarding revaluation items. Then and the last, the goodwill of the firm is valued at 30,000. Okay, all the three partners total value of goodwill is 30,000, and Derry brought cash for his share of his share is how much? For how much he was new share is what? Yes, 5:3:2, about 2/10 is his share. We got to find out how much his share of goodwill 30,000. 1. So that here in the previous class someone asked why we need to open bank account. Yes, because once the new partner brought capital as well as his share of goodwill in cash, we need to open bank account. Even the straight away we can show all in what asset side but if we show they ask necessary ledger accounts both, it's a part of answer. So that bank account we need to open. Then what happened to the goodwill? The existing partners withdrew the entire amount of brought by Derry towards பாத்துங்க இதெல்லாம் பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட்டில் போய் பண்ணோம்னா it seems so clumsy and not neat. அதனால separately we have to open bank account, and so all the debit credit side items finally going to get carried and brought down. That balance alone finally to be shown as neatly is the idea of opening bank account. Otherwise if we do all addition, subtraction, everything balance it won't be good. It won't be, generally it won't be accepted. Okay, what someone I think Betsy or someone asked the same doubt. Already I explained again on for your sake. All dear students, keep in mind, in that case we need to open bank account separately after capital account. Okay, good. Now let me start with first one, what we need to open. What's the question here? Prepare the necessary ledger accounts and balance it after necessary ledger accounts சொல்லிட்டாமா, அதனால தான் bank account also a part of answer. அதனால better, it's safe side we open bank account. It's clear now your doubt? Good. Then let me open first revaluation account. As we already pointed out, one profit item, one loss item. Maybe stock alone depreciated 20%. On 10,000 20% now that is 2,000 posted debits at 10. Then investment value brought into the books 11,000 by investment 11,000. That's all. Okay, then if you balance it automatically 11 minus 2 9,000. Good. That 9,000 shared by all the two partners in the ratio of 2:1. I mean 2/3 and 1/3. Therefore to capital account being us and PLs 2/3 and 1/3 போட்டிங்கன்னா sharing you will get 6 and 3. Therefore transfer outer column 9,000 over revaluation account. Then next, before going to open what capital account, we need to find out sacrificing ratio. ஏன்னா goodwill கொண்டு வந்திருக்கிறோம், அந்த goodwill ஷேர் பண்ணுறாங்க, அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் அதை withdraw பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகேவா, அதனால we need to find out sacrificing ratio. So as we know very well, sacrificing ratio is old ratio, formula is old ratio minus new ratio. Therefore begin with old ratio of Veena and PL equal to 2:1, that is 2/3 and 1/3. Then new ratio of Veena is to PL is to Derry is equal to 5:3:2 given. Therefore 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. As we know very well, sacrificing ratio equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Therefore Veena's sacrificing ratio equal to her old ratio 2/3 minus 5/10. அதுக்கு LCM எடுத்து as usual அதை simplify பண்ணிங்கன்னா 30, 10 3s are 30, 10 2s are 20, then minus 3 10s are 30, 3 5s are 15. Therefore 20 minus 15, 5/30 is the sacrificing ratio of first partner Veena. Then second partner sacrificing ratio equal to 1/3 minus 3/10. அதுக்கு common factor 30 தான். Therefore அதை LCM எடுக்கும் போதுமா 10 3s are 30, 10 1s are 10, then 3 10s are 30, 3 3s are 9. Therefore 10 minus 9, 1/30. Therefore at the end, sacrificing ratio of Veena is to PL equal to 5:1. Okay? Good. Do you understand ma? Good. Now we can start capital account. Yes. See the capital account. Okay ma? Good. As usual, join with the LF column, make another one more column for first partner both the side. Therefore date particulars, first column first partner, inner column second partner, outer column third partner both the side. Okay? Just make one line both debit side and credit side. Good. Always keep the new partner as third last one. Good. Then now, as we know very well, capital account la first posting begins with by balance brought down, that is opening balance of capital. Opening balance of capital, how much go through the opening balance? Say capitals of Veena and PL 60 and 40. Yes. Therefore by balance brought down 60 and 40. Third partner no, leave it. Then come to the adjustment ma. What are the adjustment? Yes. New profit series. Then Derry has to bring a capital of 30,000. Yes. Therefore bank account data to Derry's new partner capital account. Therefore by bank in new partner's capital போட்டுக்கணும் பாருங்க, by bank 30,000 போட்டுக்கணும். Good. Over. Then next, what are the balance sheet adjustment we saw in the balance sheet already? Balance sheet adjustment, reserve fund. First general reserve அதை ஷேர் பண்ணிக்குவோம். 30,000 இல்லைமா, தென் அதை ஷேர் பண்ணிக்குவோம். அதை வந்து 2:1 ஷேர் பண்ணாமல் 2/3 and 1/3 ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்லி 20,000 and 10,000. ஃபஸ்ட்டு அதை போட்டுக்கணும் பார்த்துக்குமா. கேபிட்டல் ஆஃப்டர் பேங்க் எஸ் here by general reserve 20,000 and 30,000. Okay, there. Come here, what I pointed out already, workmen compensation fund, what they need to keep this year onwards 1,000 is enough ngura. Appo already what they kept 10,000, this is not needed now. Therefore 1,000 reserve பண்ணி வெச்சுக்கிட்டுமா, the balance 9,000 this year itself they want to share. Therefore 9,000 they can share. Therefore journalists workmen compensation fund to debtor to old partners capital account. Therefore by workmen compensation fund in capital account, see capital account la by workmen compensation fund அவனே 10 minus 1 கொடுத்துக்கலாம் பாருங்கம்மா. அது 2:1 old ratio ல ஷேர் பண்ணாங்கன்னா first partnerக்கு 6,000, second partnerக்கு 3,000. overamma. Then this balance sheet items we posted. Then what are the next ma? Nothing as I said. Okay. And revaluation result now. Yes, already we opened revaluation account allama. What we shared already 6 and 3 by revaluation 9,000. Adhe 6 and 3 9,000. Okay, good. Next, what the new partner brought 30,000. First அது கண்டுபிடிச்சுக்குமா. The goodwill of the firm 30,000. அதில் நியூ பார்ட்னர் ஷேர், அவன் ஷேர் என்ன 2/10. ஃபஸ்ட் அதை கண்டுபிடிங்க. 30,000ல் அங்கே பாருங்கள் போட்டுக்கிறோம் பாருங்கள். goodwill of the firm 30,000. அதில் நியூ பார்ட்னர் டெரி ஷேர் ஆஃப் goodwill 30,000 into 2/10. அதை சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணிங்கன்னா you will get 6,000. Yes, That 6,000 can be distributed by the old partners in the sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is what we already found, 5:1. Therefore எங்க மாதிரி 6,000 bank account data to yes, bank account data to old partners capital account, for he brought the goodwill. Therefore 5,000 and 1,000. Again அந்த goodwill என்ன பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க அந்த partner adjustment சொல்லிக்கிறான். The existing partners withdrew the entire amount brought by Derry towards good. அதை ஃபுல்லாக 6,000 அவங்க withdraw பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. ஓகேவா? The same the sacrifice ratio. Therefore new partner capital account data to bank. See, to bank. Therefore to bank 5,000 and 1,000. That's all posting. Okay, ma? Good. If we balance now capital account, then 60 plus 20, 80 plus 6, 86 plus 6, 92 plus 5, 97. First partner. Second partner 40 plus 10, 50 plus 3, 53 plus 4, 57. Okay, third partner. Therefore 97 and 57 and 30,000 total. Then அது பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணும்போதுமா 97 minus 5 92, 57 minus 1 56, 30 30. Therefore 2 balance carried down. Then finally by balance brought down 92,000 and 56,000 and finally 30,000. That's all capital account. Okay, va? Then now before going to prepare balance sheet, we need to open what I pointed out, cash at bank. Yes, already in balance sheet old cash was given, cash at bank was given to 30,000. Therefore 2 balance brought down. Then what they brought capital by Venus by Pierce already we post பண்ணமுல்லமா. Then 5,000 and 1,000 and Derry's capital கொண்டு வந்தான்ல, 2 Derry's capital 30,000 and அந்த capital withdraw பண்ணிட்டாங்களமா. அதில் அதே by Venus by Pierce. Then capital கொண்டு வரும்போது அந்த ஷேர் இருக்குமா, 2 Venus capital 2 Pierce capital 5 and 1. Then இதை பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா டோட்டலி 60 plus 666 minus 6 equal to 60,000 final balance carried down as cash balance. இது எல்லா பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட்ல எப்படி பண்ண முடியுமா? What Betsy you asked இல்லமா in the previous day class. அதனால தான் we need to open cash at bank account separately like this. Now we are going to show separately one item as bank 60,000 neatly. Okay va? Now come to balance sheet ma, write the heading balance sheet of Veena, PL and Derry as on 1st April 18. Then proceed with the same old balance sheet. What old balance sheet engama begins with capital. Therefore on the general reserve workman common adu rendu varadu. Next syndicates 10,000 keep in mind. Then what's the capital account we got from the capital? Yes, see this 92 56 30 only. See here 92 56 30 மூணு ஆட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா transfer outer column 178. Then workman compensation fund அவன் adjustment என்ன சொன்னா 1,000 only they want to keep. Then similarly creditors 10,000. So liability items we all posted neatly. Then come to asset side என்னென்ன இருக்கு? Asset side then building no change, machinery no change, debtors no change. Then stock வந்து depreciation பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Put stock in inner column and bank balance finally in the balance sheet at the end we can show as 60,000 what we got in bank account, ledger account. Then and unrecorded investment they brought into account that we got to show. Therefore put as it is building, machinery, other things. See here building, machinery as it is old value. Then new asset brought into the investment worth of 11,000, debtors also as it is. Then stock 2,000 less depreciation. Therefore 10 minus 2 8. And finally cash at bank 60 already posted. That's all. Now if you balance this balance sheet you will get both side 178 plus 1,079 plus 10 189. Then similarly here also 60 plus 30 90 plus 11 101 plus 20 121, 121 plus 8 129 plus 60 189 both the side. Good, that's all. Both side we got same answer. Good. Like that, the students, you can do as one sum, the final textbook sum, the same type of sum, 27th sum you can do as test and take photo and send to me. With that, dear students, this lesson, I mean admission of a partner, 5th lesson is over. And see, just 2 days back only what our government has announced, nearest to 50% of the lesson may be reduced due to this corona period, insufficient of time Telegram, but we don't know what are all they reduced, they will send us. And so far what we taught, even I think 1/3 or half of that may be removed, what we can do. But for knowledge purpose, you can gain all those given in the syllabus. But finally what government is going to give us, accordingly we are going to prepare for examination point of view. Okay, nothing wrong. Learning of more things is never will be a disadvantage. It's advantage though. So it will help you in higher studies to learn all those things very easily. Okay, then with that, dear students, this lesson we finished. Okay, so don't forget 27th sum you can do as test and take photo and send to me. Okay, bye, see you.